In a move signaling intensified efforts to uphold fiscal transparency and accountable governance, civil society organizations have taken a bold step, one that places them at the forefront of budgetary vigilance. A coalition of civil society leaders in Abuja have formed a strategic watchdog unit aimed at tracking every naira and kobo allocated in the name of development.
Named the CSO Budget Implementation Assessment Monitoring and Evaluation Committee, the newly birthed body is calling for responsible stewardship of public funds. The mandate of the committee is to monitor the implementation of government budgets, assesses their real-time impact on citizens, identify loopholes in fiscal execution, and push for reform where needed.
Because we have seen in previous times where projects are done but not done to a specification, and money has been released for such projects. Our work now is to see how we can assist government to look at their projects at the implementation level to see that those projects are well done to specification. So we are here for transparency and accountability on government expenditure and implementation of budgets.
Billions of naira have been expended in this country in terms of budgeting, in terms of monitoring, and in terms of assessment of government projects. And it behoves on us as civil rights organizations to hit the ground running and let Nigerians know that we are going to follow every damn kobo that is released of government to do one project or the other. It's not just to follow the project. First of all, we must also ensure that standard and specification is followed.
Its role also extends to producing evidence-based reports, fostering collaboration across public and private sector.
There are two agents of accountability, naturally. We have the vertical, which is the government agencies, and we have the horizontal, which is the civil society organizations. We belong to the civil society organizations, and our major aim is to check the procurement procedures of government to ensure that things are done rightfully. Since we have witnessed so far endemic corruption in our system, it is proper that a check be placed on our procurement system.
As Nigeria grapples with growing demand for prudent resource management, this CSO-led committee marks a pivotal moment. It reflects oversight is not left to institutions alone, but is shared by vigilant society. The message is clear. The era of unchecked budget and unaccounted spending must give way to one of charity, consequence, and collaboration. Landry Babalola, AIT News, Abuja.